These tense moments of the game that you're just mentioning, what kind of self-talk are you using during this time?
It all depends on what's going on in the game, but basically I'm always every new possession I'm self-talking the situation, self-talking, slow the game down, slow the game down, slow the game down. In our game, the game changes with every second of the shot clock, so you really have to know how to referee the shot clock, where the shot clock is, because the set changes and the speed of the possession changes with the shot clock, and understand when the shot clock hits 5 that something's getting ready to happen, coming to the rim or going in the air, or something. So so a lot of that self-talk for me is where we are in the shot clock, where my mindset is after a major screw up, or where I'm struggling, or maybe the game's going too fast for me, or I've done something where I'm regretting what I've done. I'm trying to control my breathing. I'm trying to talk myself back to fundamentals. I'm trying to tell myself to stay basic. I'm trying to get myself to just get back to being calm, cool, collected, and just make sure that I get the next play right.